kind of loud. Hopefully you're going to hear me properly, but we are at the Richmond Night Market, which is a suburb a little bit south of Vancouver. And my first dish, as you saw, is going to be pork belly. Kind of loud. Hopefully you're going to hear me properly, but we are at the Richmond Night Market, which is a suburb a little bit south of Vancouver. And my first dish, as you saw, is going to be pork belly, and it's the spicy one. I was told it was very good, so let's give it a shot. You'll be on YouTube. So it's really good. Quite a bit of meat to it as well. The spice is nice, not too much, a little sweet as well. Really recommend this one. Seems a popular thing here is fried squid too, so we'll try to find that later. So we got squid, seems to be really popular here, so I'm trying the deep fried squid, and this is the sweet chili version. I'm trying not to make the whole thing drop. I don't know how much squid is in there, but it tastes really good. So tempted to have this. It's like Oreo and matcha ice cream, but Melanie can try it and then I'll decide. How is it? It's really good? Yeah. Yakult guava green tea ice cream sandwich. So apparently it's kind of a yogurt thing and like kind of a yuzu flavored ice cream. You get a cute little pipette. Add some sauce on top. And let's give this baby a try. It's really nice. It's like a coconut lemony taste, but very light. So we had a really fun evening at the Richmond Night Market. Lots of interesting foods we ate, as you saw, lots of activity, and yeah, lots of rain because we're in Vancouver. So in Vancouver, you bring a raincoat. Hope you really enjoyed being with us today, and we're gonna have another fun day in Vancouver tomorrow. See you then. So also let me know down in the comments which one of the foods we ate that you would want to try as well. So make sure to like this video, hit subscribe if you haven't yet, and always remember to eat and travel outside of your comfort zone. Mwah!